Okay, so this is where we stopped. So we are able to we're able to modify some of the headers in the healthcare data. So let's quickly look at another data cleaning method in Python outside the one I have used so far. So we've done this, done this, done this, done this. So that this so we are looking at another data cleaning method. Let's assume that you load a data set and you discover that you have some cells with missing value, which are usually translated to NaN in Python, which means not a number. So Python is having issue decoding a particular type of data. So that is where we use the dot drop now. So it is used to actually delete such from your data. So as you can see here, removes rows or column with missing value. So that is the function of this particular method. So let's go to our data frame and see how we can apply it. So what we are learning right now is how to remove missing values. How to remove missing values. Now, to start with, let's look for any of our data with missing values so that by the time we remove it, we will know that we have actually removed something. Now, out of the 3 data sets we loaded here, I believe there's this one that have NaN. You can see it here, NaN here. So these are the kind of things we want to actually remove from our data. So the name of that is what? Data 1. So I could just call it. So the syntax will be, always make sure you copy the syntax. The syntax will be the name of that data set, which is data 1, then dot the drop now. Dot the drop now. Now, if you run it, let's wait for the results. So you say what? Name data 1 is not defined, probably because we have restarted our notebook. So let me run everything all over again in order to accommodate it. The data 1, okay, I think the data 1. Taking time. Have you done anything on your screen at all?
No, for this one, I know I'm not typing this one.
No,
I'm going to do it from the.
It's loading. It's loading. So please make sure you practice all before the next class. Okay, I think it has loaded. So let's check. Okay, so you can see it has what? Recognize it. So you can see where we are having the NaN. If we call the data set now, we say what? Data 1 from the original. you will notice that the NaN are still there. So you can see it. So which means that at this point, you actually remove what? The NaN with what? The drop now. So it's another data cleaning function. All these are things you will find in some given data sets that you cannot continue your analysis with until you clear them. So it's something you need to know. So now let's go back to the so we have this one that says how to drop missing value in a data frame. So here is column. If the focus is on your column that you want to remove the missing value from, so you have to add axis equals to 1. So the axis equals to 1 is just to specify that you are removing missing value across column. Because there are times that the missing value might just be in your row. So let me just paste it and comment it out. So here is where we are removing missing values based on column. So the syntax is still the same. The syntax is your data set name, which is the data 1 that has some missing value. Then we concatenate it with the same drop now. And then inside it, we will now do axis is equals to 1. So if you run this, I believe was it data 1? Okay, data 2. We are working. Okay, data 1, right? Data 1 we are working with. So it has removed the missing value across the column. Are you with me, sir?
Yes, I am. Yeah.
But it's like I have different data here with the same thing. Okay, yeah, the same thing. So you can see that under each that we are having the missing value, we don't have age. I'm surprised why there's no age. As this drop now equals to, or am I not working with the same data? Data 1, then data 1. Okay, sorry. We drop the axis, but let's look at it. Name is what? Are you with me, sir? Name is what? Name is 1. Name is 0, rather. Name is 0. Name is 0. Name is 0. Remember the way I taught us that
Yes.
value. And the first one is what? 0. So age is 1. And look at it here. What you did here is that you drop the column where there was missing value. So if you check here now, it dropped what? This column. It dropped followers because there are also what? Missing value under these two columns. For this column, there are no missing value. That is what you are seeing here, sir. You can see that it has removed age. It has also removed what? Follower. Why? Because there are missing value under those columns. Is that clear?
Okay.
Did you understand that?
I do.
Are you sure you do very well? Now, now look at this age and follower. Under these columns, we have age to educational level, education level. If you check through under this column, which one of them do you have missing value in one of the cell? Let's start with age. Let's start with the name. You
Age.
can see that there is no missing value here, right?
Yeah.
Under
Yes.
name. What about age? Is there missing value?
Yes.
Good. What about followers? Is there missing value?
Yes.
What about income? Is there any missing value there?
No.
Sign update. Is here missing value?
No, I can't see anyone.
So this count and down to what? Now, at the end of the day, how many columns will be deleted?
2,
3.
3, 3, 3.
How
Income.
many
No,
of
no.
them?
It's
How
2.
many?
It's 2. 2. Age and followers.
Good. Now let's check the data set here. Do you see have them here?
No, 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 it's
Good.
not.
Which means that what this function drop now we scan through your entire data set and find out under which column you have, even if it is one missing value, it will clear it off from the data. That is what happened here. I believe it's clear now.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is what this one stands for. So if you do not supply that as is equals to 1, it will simply delete what? Based on row. Once you supply it, it will delete based on what? Column. So sorry, we have to stop here. The second battery has gone off. So sorry about the inconveniences.